Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well and staying healthy. I miss every one of you. Uh, let's hope next year we start our year normally. But anyway, I don't want to take a lot of time from you. So this week we're gonna do activity 221, gene therapy, and you only gonna do procedures 1 through 12, part 1. Only 1 through 12. Okay, so you're gonna read the introduction, you're gonna take notes. What is gene therapy? What are vectors? And you will investigate different techniques used for gene therapy and how they work. You will read current research on gene therapy and gather evidence to showcase the benefits or potential risks of the different techniques. So, the reason I gave you the virus assignment last week is because if you understand that viruses are basically capsules with nucleic acid inside of them, and that nucleic acid can be transferred into cells. Viruses are mostly uh, bad, so when they insert their DNA into a cell, they change the whole DNA sequence. So therefore, the cell cannot function properly. So the purpose of gene therapy is to basically create a virus-like and insert good a good gene, so that good gene can replace the mutated gene in a cell, and that cell can work properly. And the goal here is to cure genetic diseases. So you're gonna uh, open this website. You're gonna open this website, and you're gonna work on these three links. First, on this link, what is gene therapy? You have to take notes on your laboratory notebook, and then you're gonna click through the folder. So you're gonna click through this folder and also through this folder, and you're gonna create a concept map of the notes from this folder and this folder, and you're gonna connect the information here with a concept map. You can do it in your laboratory notebook or on a Google Doc, however you like. And then you're gonna go back and do delivery tools. So the delivery tools right here, these are basically the vectors that are used to that are used on gene therapy. So you're gonna click over here and see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you're gonna click in each of these vectors and you're gonna fill the student response sheet right here. For example, retrovirus, how the vector carries generic material. So you're gonna go to this website. Where's the website? Okay, this is a retrovirus. You're gonna click over here and you're gonna read the information and you're gonna fill your student response sheet with the information there. Okay, then after you finish that, you're gonna do the next procedure, which is procedure number 10. You're gonna use the Space Doctor Interactive. Okay, so you're gonna click over here, Space Doctor Interactive. You're gonna go through the website. Let me make this bigger. Okay, through the interactive. you're gonna pick. You're gonna be basically a space doctor that is gonna treat a patient with a certain disease. Okay, so you're gonna go forward and you're gonna pick a patient. Okay, after you pick a patient and go through the let's say I pick this one. Okay, the doctor is gonna come over here and blah 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 is gonna give a diagnosis to this patient. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go through the whole process. And you're gonna do procedure number 11 on a Google Doc or on your laboratory notebook. So you can write all the information here. All this information, you have to document the case from the interactive in your laboratory journal. You only have to do one case. You don't have to do the whole, all the cases, okay? Only one case. You will do procedure number 10 and procedure number 11 for that particular case. Okay, and then you're gonna answer conclusion questions only 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions. So you're gonna take notes. You're gonna take notes of whatever you learn. You're gonna go over here. You're gonna do the gene therapy. You're gonna take notes on this, and then you're gonna do a concept map of these two folders. Okay, these two folders. Then you're gonna go again to this web page. And you're gonna click on Gene Delivery Tools of the Trade, and you're gonna open the tools and see you have 6 tools. You're gonna open your student response sheet and you're gonna fill all the information off of this website. Then you're gonna go back to this web page. You're gonna open the Space Doctor and you're gonna pick a patient and you're gonna collect all the information that is specified on procedure number 10 and number 11. Okay, so at the end of the day, this is what you are gonna turn in: picture of your notes on your laboratory notebook, the cystic fibrosis concept map, a student response sheet that is attached, okay, and the conclusion questions from only 1 and 4. Okay, please do not hesitate to ask questions. Let me know if you have questions. If you want to do a Zoom meeting on Tuesday or Thursday, I'm always available at 9 o'clock in the morning. Bye. Take care.